In this video we're going to be talking about social media marketing, a topic that's essential for anyone looking to grow their online presence, whether that be for personal or business purposes. So, what is social media marketing? In simple terms, it's the use of social media platforms to promote a product, service, or brand. Social media marketing can take many different forms, including paid advertising, influencer marketing, and content marketing. But why is social media marketing so important? Well, social media is where people spend a lot of their time these days. In fact, the average person spends around 2 hours a day on social media. So, if you want to reach your target audience, social media is the place to be. Now that we know what social media marketing is, let's talk about some of the benefits. Firstly, social media marketing can be very cost-effective. Unlike traditional forms of advertising, such as television or print ads, social media advertising doesn't have to cost a lot of money. You can start with a small budget and still see results. Secondly, social media marketing allows you to target specific demographics. With social media, you can choose who sees your ads based on factors like age, location, interests, and more. This means that you can ensure your ads are being seen by the right people. Thirdly, social media marketing can help you build brand awareness. By promoting your brand on social media, you can reach a wider audience and get your brand in front of people who may not have heard of it otherwise. Fourthly, social media marketing can drive traffic to your website. By including links to your website in your social media posts, you can encourage people to visit your site and learn more about what you have to offer. Finally, social media marketing can help you build relationships with your customers. By engaging with your followers on social media, you can build a loyal customer base who will be more likely to make repeat purchases. So there you have it, some of the key benefits of social media marketing. As you can see, social media marketing can be a powerful tool for growing your online presence and reaching new customers. So, if you're not already using social media to promote your brand, what are you waiting for? Get out there and start creating some amazing content that your audience will love.